At least suspected 3 Kuki militants had been killed and 3 others injured in a gun battle occurred yesterday at the border area of Bishnupur and Churachandpur district. According to a reliable source, the 2 militants died on the spot and 3 were rushed to Churachandpur district hospital. A video footage has gone viral of the gunfight where the suspected militants prayed to God for the departed souls. Meanwhile, KSO Churachandpur has claimed that those killed in a gun battle are village defense volunteers. Their names are Ngamyo 21 and Hengaumang 20, and injured volunteers are Nitingsa 21, Timingthang 20 and Jangminlun 21, currently undergoing treatment at District Hospital Churachandpur. However, the viral video displayed the sophisticated weapon by the suspected Kuki militants.
Agin Nazam, Agin.